my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, today I have my brown sugar box for April 2023. This box is a monthly box. This is a Black Lifestyle box. Every month they have a theme, as well as you receive a t-shirt in this box every month, and every t-shirt is very different. I am currently rocking the one we had from last month, and I'm gonna just stand up so you guys can kind of see what this shirt looks like. And so guys, I'm going to get into this box. This box is sent out at the end of every month. So this was sent out at the end of April. I actually just got it on Saturday, and I'm just getting around to actually filming what's in the box for you guys. So I apologize for my delay, but let me just go ahead and show you what's in this box. As you guys notice, this box is not as illustrated and colorful as what we normally get. I've actually never seen a box like this one show up from Izzy and Liv. This is kind of like muted for them. So this is their 6-year anniversary box, so I'm kind of excited to see what is in here to celebrate the 6 years of the subscription. And we're going to get right in here without any further delay. So guys, this is your sneak peek of what's in the box, and we also get our little card here that has a QR code on the back. And the QR code lets you know what we're actually getting in our box and reviewing it. And you can also see what the other options are. So I'll be showing you on my iPad what we get in the box and what the other options are. So hold on tight. Let's see what's in here. So guys, the theme for this month's box is called Get It Girl. So that is what they have on the front of here, and it says harness your power at work and play, and it says 6 years of brown sugar, we made it. So we're going to get right into what our options can be for this month's box. So let's go ahead and check it out. So guys, our first item that I'm pulling out is going to be a Izzy and Liv product here. It's all wrapped up. Let's see what it is. Take it out the plastic. It feels like brushes. So, oh, it looks, it has a little handle on it and everything. So let's see what's in here. So we got, look at this. We got makeup brushes. And quite a few makeup brushes too. Cool. I don't think I've ever got makeup brushes from them before. They feel pretty soft. I don't see any hairs flying off. That's always a good sign. But I won't really know how they work until I actually use them. But I think this is pretty cool. So you got a whole set, and you got the case here that goes with it. How cool is that, guys? So let's see what our other options were. So let's check it out in our magazine. So guys, the first item out of our box is the makeup brushes. There were 3 options for them, as you guys can see here. So there was blue, yellow, and the other color was the cognac color. And this 7-piece premium brush set with the case is valued at $35, and it says create a flawless look with all the essentials, great for beginners or makeup pros, gentle on sensitive skin. The case is excellent for travel and effortless organization. You will get one of 3 that include a navy or gold or brown pouch. So that is the first item that we have out of the box and the options that we could have received. So as you guys saw, I have the navy version. So we're going to go right to our next product. So let's see what else is in our box. So let's put these makeup brushes over here to the side. Okay guys, the next item is a brown sugar lip gloss set. So this is 3 colors here that we have. Does it say what the colors are called? Set of 3 long-lasting, high-intensity pigment lipstick and lip gloss sticks and neutral shades of melanin. Achieve an instant bold lip. Each liquid lipstick contains moisturizing ingredients for a silky feel that does not dry out your lips. Each lip gloss is ultra shiny for that extra pop. So this was valued at $32, guys, and it looks like everybody got the same one. So nobody got anything different on this one. We all got the same colors. And let me just take them out of here so you guys can actually see them better. That would be probably more helpful. Alright, so this is them without the plastic cover on them. And, okay. Oh, that's stuck in here pretty good. Oh. So, on one side, you have the liquid lipstick. And on the other, you have the lip gloss. And that's how each one of them seems to be made up. So, I think that's neat. You get a 2-for-1. So, same thing with the pink one. Oh, look, and it comes out, too. I didn't even know that. Look. Go pop it back in. But lip gloss on this side, lipstick on this side, the liquid lipstick. So that's pretty cool. And these are pretty neutral looking colors for the most part. You got your berry looking color here. You have your pink, and then you have your brown neutral looking matte color here. So I mean, that gives you plenty of options. So you got your lipstick and your lip gloss all in the same one. That's perfect for throwing it in your bag and running out the door. So again, this was valued at $32, guys, for the lip gloss set that they have in the box. And let's see what else is it. What is this? So guys, they actually have some gum in here. Not expecting that at all. Some Bubblicious gum. Watermelon flavor, if you guys care. I don't see that on the card, so I'm just, oh yes it is on here. It says bubblegum photo shoot contest for Brown Sugar OGs. You may remember that our very first box included Bubblicious gum. We're throwing it back in to go back to our early days, and it says you could take a photo challenge with it and insert your photo. Yeah, see the insert in your box for details about how to do the photo contest. So I guess we're taking a picture with gum. But that's cute. That's cute. That's cute. And yes, this doesn't have a value on it, guys. I think we all pretty much know what gum costs. So no value on this one. But I like the idea. Throw back to the first box. So guys, the very next thing in our box is, oh, we have a couple of things. Okay. I'm going to start with this thing first. So this is this a tea or a tank? Well, let's take it out the packaging and see which one it is. Oh, wow. Look at this. It's a tank. It's a pretty medium, a long kind of length tank, by the way. But look at the picture, guys. Isn't that pretty? So beautiful. I really like that. So this is valued at, let's see, this is $25, and this is the Beautiful, Bold, and Zen tank top, and it looks like we all have the same one, so nobody got anything different on the tank top here. And it says comfy tank top, rules for spring and summer. This is a breathable, versatile, if I could talk, this is a breathable, versatile workout and on-the-go tank. It's Brown Sugar approved. So I think that's really neat. That's really pretty. And it says featuring a stunning, colorful design, which, yeah, it has the lady here. I really like how pretty that is. Very nice. Very nice. So this again is valued at $25, and we all got the same one, so nobody got anything different on this one. So that's that item. Let's go to our next one. Oh, we got another shirt. Okay, let's see what we got on this one. All right, so there's another one in here, guys. Two tops this month. All right, let's see what this one is. Ooh, this is the Brown Sugar Made Nutritional Facts Tea. This is valued at $25, guys. And it says, realness is a dying breed. You're 100% made of black girl excellence queens. Recognize queens as a brown sugar babe. You have the power to uplift, empower your fellow queens with this unapologetic confidence and unbreakable spirit. So this is pretty cool. What you guys think? I like this one. This is dope. I like this. This is really cute. So guys, this is also valued at $25. So we got 2 tops this month in our box for the anniversary. There were no other options, guys, for this one. So it was just this one like it was for the tank. So everybody got the same thing. And it looks like we got one more thing left, guys. And what is that? What else do we have in here? Let me see if I can open this up. Oh, so we have a wall tapestry. That's what this is. Okay. It says Afro Allure Wall Tapestry. Now this you could have got one of two. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get all of this on the camera. I may have to add a picture so I can show you guys. This is pretty long, by the way. So it's a wall tapestry. This is valued at $30. Let's see how much I can show you. Is this the bottom? Oh, this is the top. Okay, this is the top. So this is our wall tapestry. I'm trying my best so I can show you guys. I'm gonna have to add a picture in so you guys can see the full thing, but this is it. And it's pretty long, but it looks cute. So for the wall tapestry, guys, it says, if these walls could talk, they say you're a work of art. The colorful, crisp wall tapestry designs brighten up any space. The fabric is lightweight, is durable, and wrinkle-free. Excellent for your wall hangings, tablecloth, or other decorations. You get one or two designs, and let me show you these two here. Make them big enough. So this is what the wall tapestry looks like in its full length. And I'm going to find somewhere to hang this so I can kind of show you guys how it looks outside of the picture here, but how it kind of looks like in person so you can get a real life view of what it really looks like. So this is valued at $30. And guys, that is the entire box. So we got a wall tapestry. We have lip gloss and lipsticks. We have bubble gum as a throwback to our first box. We have a set of makeup brushes, which I think these are really cool. I love the design that's on them too. Really cute. And I like the fact that it came with a case. And then we have two tops. So this is our tee, $25. And then we also have another tee. And this is a tank rather. And this is valued at $25. So this is kind of cute. I thought it was a cute. I'm not sure about this wall tapestry. I don't know where I'm hanging this at or putting it at. I have to find a place. I'll find a place and I'll take a picture and show you guys. Even if I have to hang it on the door just so you guys can see what it looks like. But that is our entire box. This month's box. What was the value of this box? This month's box has a value of $151. Not sure about all that. Like, I love the tees. I think the tank and the tee are probably my favorite too. No, I like the brushes too. I like the brush set that we also got. And the lip gloss. The only thing probably not really filling was probably the tapestry. But I like the idea. It's a nice idea. And it's something fun. So, I mean, if you're looking to bring a room up and give it a little pop of color, I think that'll definitely work. I just generally don't do tapestry, so that's all I have to say. But guys, this is my box for the month of April. If you guys got this box, I would love to know if you got anything different in your box than I received. And let me know in the comments what you thought about this month's box. I thought it was alright. I didn't have any real expectations of anything, but I thought it was alright. I liked everything. It was cute, but I'm not sure about this value. That might be a little inflated, but it was a cute box. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please feel free to hit that like button. It does help me on this channel here, grow my little small channel on YouTube. And I like to show you guys what I'm receiving in my subscription box. If that is something that you're interested in, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you have not already. And join my family over here. But until our next box, I will see you next time. You guys have an awesome day.